Hello and welcome to all of you on our productive and skill oriented platform. So previously we covered lots of stuff on the platform of Azure. Right now we are moving ahead and see what is our next step in the journey of cloud computing. So right now we are moving with another important service and taking another step towards learning on the platform of Microsoft Azure. And here you can see we have networking services on the platform of Azure. So when we talk about the network, so the same procedures, same technologies, same methodologies implemented on the platform of Azure as we are following in our traditional infrastructure. But when we are talking about the Microsoft Azure infrastructure regarding the networking services, so for better understanding and for better implementation, we need to categorize the networking services as well. So at level 1, here you can see we have networking services regarding the connectivity. So at level 1, we are going to cover connectivity services on the platform of Microsoft Azure, where we can explore options regarding the virtual networks, how VNets are working, and what kind of other services available when we discuss the connectivity domain. And after that, we will move forward and see the next category on the platform of Azure, and the next category is all about security. So when we talk about the networking, so definitely there are a number of options regarding the security, because networking is totally about connectivity, and whenever you are using cloud technologies, so it's really important for you to get more skills about the security, because when we talk about the cloud, so in a simple way, it's internet, and there are number of bad guys available. There are hackers, spywares, malwares, and a number of other activities will happen on your cloud infrastructure. So you need to learn skills about the security. So we will definitely explore what kind of security options available on the platform of Microsoft Azure. When we done with the security concepts, so then we will move with another important aspect, which is related to the internet performance, about the connectivity performance, and for that purpose we have another category which is known as delivery. So we will learn a number of technologies in the delivery domain, where we can explore how we can improve our cloud networking performance for our customers. And at level 4, here is another important service on the platform of Microsoft Azure, which is monitoring. And that monitoring activity is almost by 24/7, because you need to monitor your all activities on the platform of cloud, and by monitoring these activities you can easily analyze what kind of security improvements you require to protect your infrastructure, and what kind of techniques and technologies and methodologies you can implement to improve performance regarding the connectivity. And in the same manner, monitoring will be really helpful for you when we talk about the delivery. So let's move and see what kind of options available regarding the connectivity, security, content delivery, and monitoring on the platform of Azure. But before going towards Microsoft Azure, let's visit the traditional infrastructure regarding the connectivity. So we will get better idea how this networking technology work over cloud. So let's visit the traditional infrastructure.